If you have a Facebook account but can't log in because you can't remember the phone number or the email address linked to that Facebook account, this video is going to help you. I'm going to be showing you what exactly to do. You can't remember the phone number, you can't remember the email address, you can't even remember the username. Okay, so instead of trying to open another Facebook account, this video might help you to find the email or the phone number connected to that Facebook account so that you can recover that very account. So let's go straight into it. First of all, get logged in with any Facebook account, anybody's Facebook account, maybe your friend's Facebook account. Get logged in there. Then come to the search bar, Facebook search bar. In this case, I'm looking for a name. Let me say Nebedun. So let's say this is the name I'm looking for. Okay, now this is the account, but I'm finding it difficult remembering the email or the phone number logged into this account or linked to this account. And without that, I can't even request for password resets. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click on this. First of all, I want to check if I can find the email. Remember, I'm not logged into this account. I just searched it on Facebook and it popped up. So I want to see if I can find the email. So I go to About. I go to the About page. Under About, you see Contacts. So I go to Contact and Bio, Basic Bio. Now you see here, everything here is empty. So it's not showing me whether I have an email or phone number connected to this account. So what do I do? This is what you do. Simply look up here where you have the URL. You see this number here. Just click on it and copy it. There is a number that will come up. That number is the unique number connected to that your account. So you can use it to begin the process of recovery of your account. So I copy it out, just the number, just that number. Just make sure you select the number from where it started from to where it ended. Just the number, not the link. Now I'll go to incognito. That's my private browser. I'm not logged in there. So what you do now is when you've come here, paste that number here as though you want to log in with it. And in this case, I'll just input any password at all. I just type in anything and say login. Now, you see, it tells me the password you've entered is incorrect. I should try forgotten password, okay? I say go to forgotten password. Now, do you see it has brought up that account here? Can you see now? In case you missed anything, just replay to find out what I did, okay? Now, at this point, what I will do is to go to try another way. Just click on try another way. Can you see here now it brought out the email? So it's left for me now to ask myself, do I remember this email address? And I do remember it. So all I will do now is once I continue now, a message will be sent to this very email address and I'll retrieve it. So if I don't know this email address, I won't be able to continue with the process of recovery of my account. So if I don't have an idea that this was the email address I used, I will not be able to do anything about this account. And in some cases, you will even see phone number if a phone number is linked to the account. So all I will do next is to say continue, and then a code will be sent to me in my email, this very email. I'll pick it up and I will be able to recover this account. I hope I was able to help you with this video. Do subscribe and see you in my next upload.